Welcome to another real-time trade. In this video, I'll discuss several ways to manage the trade to empower you to design a trade management model that suits your unique mental wiring. This is the stuff of the real game. Now let's join the trade in progress. PM, I just did a long restart on my PC and finally got everything back up here running again. And I'm looking at a potential short on the Dow. I'll explain everything to you in a moment. This is the Dow coming up towards power hour, 25 minutes away. Sell stop order, guys, right here. Sell stop order about to get triggered in, I believe. Stop above, 57 point stop. I'll fix this marker here in a moment. I just want to get my own platform ready to go here and set up. Bear with me. All right. Brackets ready to go. Sell stop. This is a trend continuation trade. Naturally, I will cut out dead air, non-teaching moments, sideways grinding action, things of that nature. Keep this video nice and tight, as always. And now we're just waiting for this thing to be triggered for a continuation move down after this big rejection wick, following a big surging candle at the 1 o'clock candle. Took advantage of that, got a nice 1R out of that. The video beside this one, where this one will be, of course. Assuming we get a trade here. Here we go. Getting ready. And in, guys. I'm triggered in. Short the Dow. The coin has been tossed. Just barely. Almost regretting it. Sometimes it's the case, right? You feel that way if it doesn't immediately start powering down in the direction that you want, but that's okay. Put you on pause and we will come back as this materializes. And we've just tagged the 1R. Looks like it wants to go a little bit lower here too. So the 1R all or nothing traders exited the trade with full profitability. Let's see where this goes from here. I will put you back on pause. And you might be asking before I go into back on pause here, why would I be taking this trade right into support? And I think it's a very good question. But it's important to know that this support is not one of these major supports that come from, several days ago, like this one would be major. This one's very major here from many, many days ago. This particular support is intra-day, and not just intra-day of the 24-hour Asian, European, and New York session, but it's just from a couple of hours ago, right? This was that rally right at 1 o'clock where I took that long, got the 1R result from it, and then sold off again. So I have it marked here because we do have to get through it, certainly. But with the power hour of volume and afternoon volume, it can certainly be done. And so I have no problem flipping the coin into this when I've seen this big rejection wick here once, twice, all these wicks saying that there is absolutely selling pressure in this zone, getting fired down, bottom wick, top wick on the next candle, tried to rally, and then flipped itself, taking the entry right there, the sell for a continuation of the downtrend. Impulse, corrective up, impulse down. All right, hope that helps. And target 2's been hit, guys, 1.5 hour. So the 1.5 hour trader now has benefited or profited fully from this trade, as did the 1R trader. The 2R all or nothing trader, of course, is sitting waiting here to see what happens, and we will follow it as well. Be right back. And there it is, guys. Finally tapped 2R, 114 points on this one on the Dow, and all four models profiting. 1R all or nothing, 1.5R, 2R all or nothing, and the 2R moved to break even at 1R, also profited fully. So it turned out to be a good day after all. A little messy this morning. Finally had two trades, a 1R winner and then this 2R winner for a total of 3R, which is nice. And you can see this again is a trend continuation trade, guys. You see the impulse wave down, rally back up, impulse back down. That was the idea in the beginning, and it played out just like that. You'll see that after we had broken yesterday's high, I'm looking at the top left hand side here, the daily chart, after we had broken yesterday's low, it was off to the races to the downside, and the weakness did in fact continue. These rejection wicks were very helpful for me when the prices rallied here and then flipped back down blue again, blue candle being a down candle in my coloration, and then breaking the low in the prior candle at 2:30 or so, just after. So the afternoon coming towards power hour where more volume comes into the market. But a bearish day overall. You'll see that we are down almost 1% on the Dow, 1.35 on the S&P, and 1.4% on the NASDAQ. So a weak day indeed. Thanks for being with me. Thanks for clicking the like button, for saying hi in the comments. I do appreciate you. And we will talk to you tomorrow, no doubt. Have an amazing night. See you soon.